chicken sandwich.
Javi. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, for the rest of the afternoon, the rest of the evening, this is our kahuna. You are gonna do every little motion that she does. Every motion she. There you go. Good. You're good at this thing. So we have one rule for you. Eye to eye, not my eyes, her eyes. Eye to eye, not eyes down at her belly button. Eye to eye. Have fun, enjoy yourself, and please don't get hurt. Okay?